So today I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on Cash App investing. It's going to be fairly simple and easy, so make sure you pay full attention as we have our app right over here on the side to go through everything in real time. So what we're going to do is have it right now currently on the main page of Cash App, and then we're going to go ahead and click on that little swiggle button towards the bottom right hand side of the screen right there to actually bring us into the investing portion of Cash App. Now currently I have one stock in my portfolio and I'm currently invested with $1 into Tesla. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to go through the process of selling this stock. So we can see right over here where it says my portfolio. This is currently everything you already have in your portfolio total, so that way you can see all the different stocks. Now, since we only have Tesla, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here. And you're going to see an option to buy more stock if you wanted to, which of course you can. But you can also see the sell button right over there on the right hand side, which we're going to go ahead and click on right over here. Now, once this loads up over here, it's going to verify your information with a Face ID or a thumb. And then it's going to give you kind of like a quick synopsis of your selling process. So it says sell all of Tesla. So of course, this means the funding source is going to be Cash App, which means when you sell, this money is going to go directly into your Cash App balance. So right now I have about 7 something in there, and that's going to bump it up to over $8. You can see the approximate sale price, how many shares I have, and then obviously even the cost as well too. So this right here, it shows the total sale amount is 99 cents. There's approximately a government fee of 1 penny. So I'm gonna get about 98 cents. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and click on confirm right over here. And then it's gonna go through this process. And then once it's sold, it's gonna say you sold 99 cents of Tesla. And it shows right here, show caution when buying and selling the same stock on the same day, also known as day trading. You can complete only 2 more day trades before Wednesday. So you could do essentially 3 day trades in a single day with Cash App, but just something to keep in mind in that process. So we're going to go ahead and click on done right over here. And you can see on the bottom left hand side of my screen, you're going to see where it shows $8. That's where my money went into. Like I said, just into your overall Cash App balance. Now, if you want to learn how to withdraw this money from Cash App entirely, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in the next video.